Alright guys, today I got a DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable, I think, and this is just going to be a little small unboxing. I'll just open it up for you, show you what's inside. So I got this off of Amazon.ca. It was about $10 plus tax, and it came in just, one day, overnight. Didn't take that long. Let's just get this open. There isn't much to look around the whole box, but I got the 6-foot variant. Comes with a little card over here, lifetime warranty it says, and to follow them on social media. Alright, this is just the back of it if you guys wanted to look. It's nothing special. And here it is. So both ends are covered with some sort of plastic. I'm assuming just to protect it somehow. And there's a little twist tie at the top. Alright. So it's pretty long. And these pretty easy to take off, these covers. This seems to be like some locking mechanism or something. Not exactly sure, but yeah, there it is. It's very simple. It's one of the cheapest ones on Amazon, for Amazon.ca, and yeah, this is my first DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable. Really needed one of these. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this, put them down in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you.